Hey creators, are you tired of spending hours editing your long videos into short? What if I told you there's a tool that does it all in just one click? Today, we're diving into OpusClip AI, the powerful video repurposing tool that's helping content creators go viral without breaking a sweat. Let's get into it. Welcome back to our channel, the one place for creators to find the best tools to make, edit, and publish videos. Now, let's get into today's tool. So what is OpusClip is an AI-powered video tool that takes your long-form video, whether it's a YouTube video, webinar podcast, or tutorial, and automatically turns it into short, high-performing clips that are optimized for social media. It uses advanced AI to identify the most engaging moments, adds captions, emojis, hooks, and even resizes your video to vertical formats like 9:16 for TikTok and Shorts. Before we dive into all the features of OpusClip, here's how it works. First, you either paste your video link or upload a file, then you choose a preset based on the platform you're sharing to. For example, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, or your custom 9:16 aspect ratio. Then you click Generate, and OpusClip will do the rest. You can even choose to add a hook to your clips to make them even more engaging. And that's it. You're ready to share clips in minutes. Let's take a look at some of its features. First, there's clip generation with just paste your video link or upload a file and OpusClip will cut it into 10 to 15 viral-ready short clips. Next, there's the AI virality score. Each clip comes with a virality score. The AI predicts which clips are most likely to perform well. This is a game changer for creators. Then there's smart captions and OpusClip automatically generates captions with bold highlights and adds relevant emojis to keep viewers engaged. Plus, it optimizes your video formats. It resizes your videos into 9:16, 1:1, and 16:9 formats. Last but not least, it has a one-click workflow. No more timeline dragging, no manual cuts. Just upload and click. That's Italiano. Now that we've covered some of the basics, let's dive into some use cases. OpusClip is perfect for YouTubers who want to repurpose their long-form content into bite-sized clips for social media. It's also great for podcasters who can easily turn their episodes into shareable segments. And for coaches and course creators, you can cut up your tutorials and webinars into digestible clips that highlight key moves. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, coach, or course creator, OpusClip makes it easy to expand your reach by repurposing your existing content. So what are the pros and cons of using OpusClip? Let's start with the pros. It's a huge time saver. Instead of spending hours editing clips manually, you can generate multiple clips in seconds with OpusClip. It's smart. The AI does the hard work for you, analyzing your content and generating clips that are optimized for each platform. It is perfect for solo creators or small teams who do you and have the resources to hire an editor. It's easy to use. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to generate clips in minutes. Now, let's talk about the cons. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. Since OpusClip relies on the internet, upload and processing speeds may vary based on your internet connection. And secondly, while the editing options are straightforward and effective, they're not as in-depth as dedicated editing software. But the team is working on adding more features fast. With all that in mind, it's time to call to action. If you want to grow your content faster, reach more people, and save time, it's definitely worth checking out. Click the link in the description to try it out today and start turning your content into viral clips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.